Hello everyone, I'm going to show today how to reset Peugeot 307, 308 or 206 and 308 models. Reset the service light. So when you turn on the ignition, you can see here in this car minus 2400, so the service passed already 2400 miles. So how to reset this service indicator is, once you've done your service actually, so get the key out from the ignition and then press and hold this button and turn on the ignition. So it's counting to 7, 4, 2, 1, 0. Once it comes to this 0 sign, and release it and turn off the ignition, and the next service is showing 19,000 miles. That's it, service been reset already. Thanks for watching.